Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here. Quick video review about Olive Garden's amazing broccoli. I went there last night with my wife and her family for an anniversary, and I had a chicken margarita with broccoli. It's seasoned broccoli of theirs, and it was fantastic. And that chicken is a low carb product. The chicken and the broccoli, the whole meal, is rated at like 500 calories and something like 14 carbs. So if you get 2 chicken breasts. So I had 1 chicken breast, half the broccoli. In theory, that is 7 net carbs. Plus, I had their salad, and their dressing is reasonably low carb. It's about 2 net carbs an ounce. But I actually smuggled in my own low carb dressing and intermixed it with the Olive Garden Italian dressing, and it just reduced its net carbs to about 1 carb an ounce. Anyway, this is about their broccoli, and their broccoli is fantastic. And if you look around on YouTube, there's no videos. No one has any videos posted of the broccoli from Olive Garden, which to me is really strange, as fantastic as it is. I found a Reddit post where someone talked about how it comes out of a seasoning packet and there's some type of garlic oil involved, and something that a line cook said they use ICB, which is their Olive Garden's Italian cheese blend. They're unaware of what the seasonings are that are in it. But it tastes really good. And this is reheated. This came out of their Olive Garden to-go box. The chicken's great too, but the review's not about the chicken. The chicken has a pesto on it, and mozzarella cheese and tomatoes, and it's really tasty in and of itself. But the broccoli is fabulous. So the question is does anybody have a knockoff home recipe of the broccoli without having the seasoning packet or the whatever sort of packet from Olive Garden? Does anyone have a recipe that knocks this off and tastes similar for home use? Because it's great, y'all. Just phenomenal. I mean, you can see little bits of cheese on it that comes, I guess, from the Italian cheese blend. That's what it looks like up close. It's a little bit more brown today because I reheated it in a skillet. I just threw some water in a skillet. I dumped this all in a skillet and did it sort of on medium-low heat with a cover over it for about, I don't know, 7 minutes. And it's dynamite today too. Maybe even better today. Anyway, thanks for watching. If somebody knows something, let us know. Thanks.